Imagine waking up on a crisp morning, the sun rising over a serene lake, your favorite coffee in hand, all from the comfort of your own luxury motorhome. This isn't just a getaway, it's freedom on wheels. Today, we're stepping inside the 2026 Isata 631KS, a motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in style and comfort. From its sleek exterior to its meticulously crafted interior, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. Let's explore why this Class C motorhome is turning heads in 2026. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 31KS Isata 6 has a commanding presence on the road. Its modern aerodynamic design not only looks elegant but also improves fuel efficiency, allowing you to enjoy long trips without constantly worrying about gas. Notice the stylish paint finish with subtle metallic accents that catch the sunlight, giving it a luxurious edge. The large tinted windows aren't just for show. They provide panoramic views while keeping the interior cool and comfortable, even on hot summer days. And those extendable awnings? They are perfect for outdoor relaxation at your favorite campsite, whether you want to enjoy a morning coffee, a family breakfast, or simply soak in the scenery. Moving around to the back, you'll notice spacious storage compartments designed to handle everything from camping gear to bicycles to luggage. The compartments are intelligently placed for easy access, making loading and unloading a breeze. No more digging through crowded spaces. Everything has a dedicated spot, so you can spend more time enjoying your journey instead of wrestling with gear. The rear design also features integrated lights and a sturdy ladder, allowing safe and easy rooftop access, which can be great for additional storage or just to enjoy the elevated view. Step inside, and the real magic begins. The living area immediately feels open, inviting, and remarkably comfortable. Soft ambient lighting, luxurious upholstery, and cleverly designed furniture make it feel more like a boutique hotel than a motorhome. The convertible sofa provides extra sleeping space, while the dinette area is perfect for meals, games, or even working remotely if needed. Every piece of furniture has been carefully designed not only for comfort but also for practicality, allowing you to make the most of every inch of interior space. The kitchen is where functionality meets style. Solid countertops offer plenty of prep space, a spacious refrigerator keeps your food fresh, a modern cooktop makes cooking a joy, and ample storage ensures you'll never run out of space for utensils, ingredients, or appliances. The design allows for serious cooking without sacrificing the elegance you'd expect from a luxury motorhome. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a full dinner, the kitchen feels intuitive and comfortable, letting you focus on enjoying your trip rather than struggling with cramped spaces. Now, let's head to the bedroom. The master suite in the 31KS is designed for restful nights and ultimate comfort. A plush queen bed invites you to sink in after a long day on the road. Ample storage for clothes and personal items ensures that everything stays organized and accessible, while soft ambient lighting sets a relaxing mood for winding down. Windows on either side allow gentle morning light to wake you naturally or let you enjoy a starlit night sky while lying in bed. The bedroom strikes a perfect balance between privacy, coziness, and luxury, making every night on the road feel like a retreat. The bathroom, though compact, is remarkably well appointed. A full shower allows you to refresh after long drives or outdoor adventures, while a solid sink and smart storage options make it highly functional. Modern finishes keep the space feeling clean and fresh, and thoughtful design ensures that even a small space feels comfortable and convenient. Every detail, from the fixtures to the layout, has been considered to make your road trip stress-free and enjoyable. So, what sets the 31KS apart from other motorhomes in its class? For starters, the layout is exceptionally user-friendly. Every inch of the interior has a purpose, from seating arrangements to storage solutions. The attention to detail, from the stitching on the seats to the quality of the fixtures, exudes premium craftsmanship and makes a noticeable difference in everyday use. The ride itself is smooth and stable, whether you're cruising along highways or navigating winding country roads. Unlike many Class C motorhomes, the 31KS balances luxury and practicality beautifully, providing comfort without sacrificing functionality. It's perfect for both weekend getaways and extended journeys, making it versatile enough for any traveler. Now I want to hear from you. Which part of this motorhome do you love the most? Is it the open-plan kitchen that feels like a gourmet space on wheels, the luxurious bedroom that promises restful nights, or the sleek and commanding exterior that turns heads wherever you go? Comment below and let me know. I always love reading your thoughts and seeing which features resonate most with fellow enthusiasts. The 2026 Isata 631KS isn't just a motorhome. It's a ticket to freedom, adventure, and luxurious living wherever the road takes you. From the stylish exterior to the thoughtfully crafted interior, every feature is designed with a traveler in mind, combining comfort, practicality, and style in a way that few motorhomes can match. Imagine the trips you'll take, the memories you'll make, and the sunsets you'll watch from the comfort of your own home on wheels. Whether it's a weekend escape or a months-long journey, the 31KS opens up possibilities for adventure and relaxation that are simply unmatched. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit like, comment with your favorite feature, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest motorhomes and RVs. From detailed walkthroughs to lifestyle insights, we bring the world of luxury travel on wheels straight to your screen. Until next time, happy travels, and may your road trips be filled with comfort, adventure, and unforgettable moments.